What the heck? I'm tuned to 15 a.m. and I'm receiving my washing machine on here. Just listen to that. Yeah, that's how fast the thing is going. And now let's hear the washing machine downstairs. I'll show you. That is where the noise is coming from. That spinner thingy, not the actual the other noise you're hearing is actually from here, but it's not what is causing that noise up there. It's this what you're hearing on my radio. This is our dryer, it has nothing to do with it. So that's proof that that thing's spinning. And soon you're going to hear that noise pitch go down, of course. That's actually the washer slowing down. I have no way to prove it with this radio, because this isn't portable, obviously. Should happen eventually. I can hear it. And just earlier I heard the washing machine's soil remover noise on here. Maybe I lost it. I'm hearing WLAC now, which is probably the skywave propagation didn't start yet. Okay, I paused the dryer so I could show you this. Here. And that buzzy noise you're hearing, that's just the drain. And when you listen to this closely, eventually as you get into this spin, this will sound exactly like how you heard it on the radio. So if you guys are wondering, this is a Whirlpool Cabrio high efficiency washer. See if I can bring my radio down here. So let's focus on this noise. noise there. And now watch this. See how this is. It's fading on me. I got it better upstairs somehow. I'll put this back upstairs. It's not going to do another spin for a bit, so. Okay, so eventually this thing's going to do its transmission thingy again to mix around the water to rinse my clothes. And that's what I heard on my radio upstairs earlier. So first let's wait for this here. I'm assuming it's getting pretty darn close. Yeah, ignore the soap. It usually does that. It's getting pretty close. Oh, there we are. Alright, here it goes. It's about to do its thing. First it has to put that in there. Hopefully if this isn't overloaded. Should work immediately. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's get to this thing. So listen to that sound, not the water, but this. This sound you're eventually going to hear better once this. That's what I heard on my radio. So this is doing its high mode. Now it's going to go to its moderate mode in just a second here. See, that's what you're going to hear right there. Now let's go upstairs. See if it's happening again. I'm hearing it. You guys hear what I'm hearing? Hopefully I can get it before it's done with its 3-minute. Can you guys hear that? Well, I'm hearing mostly static over it. Can you see that? You guys are hearing that noise a bit on here. It was louder when I was over here. Thought you guys heard it there. Hopefully you guys heard it. I have to go now. But that's a pretty interesting text there.